If you ever yawned and immediately felt someone else is doing it too, that's not a coincidence. Yawning helps cool your brain. Blood flows faster and your thinking stays sharp. Every yawn floods your brain with oxygen and stretches your lungs and neck, waking up your nervous system instantly. Seeing or hearing a yawn triggers mirror neurons. Your brain literally copies what it sees or hears. We yawn during transition, like waking up, getting tired, or switching tasks. So that tiny yawn, it cools your brain, energizes you, syncs you with others, and keeps you sharp.